Well, today, Mr. Shea Poulet with Shea Poulet Homestead trying to do an introduction, Stanley. What are you doing, Dix? That Dixie? Yeah. Hey, that's Coco making the racket. What do you got to say about that, Chubbz? Tell him. Tell him. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Ooh. Now's your turn. Come on. Don't leave me hanging. All right, Stanley, I get your point. He just cares about showing off for the girls. Look. There he goes. Oh, yes, I might be younger, but I'm trying. Your turn. Come on. Cock-a-doodle-doo! He hates it when I do that. Watch him shake his head. Cock-a-doodle-doo! You want to fight? Want to fight? I'll fight you. Want to fight? I ain't scared no rooster. Oh, would you stop? You're pitiful. You're pitiful. I don't even know what you are. You're like half Barrett Rock with something else. You're not even purebred. Neither are you. You're a hen. Enough. And there's Phoenix going by. Still love her markings. There's Frizzle in the corner. Another lavender mix of some sort. Who the heck's making that noise? Oh, there, she just laid her egg. Let's go see what she laid. It's coming from the box. Are we laying an egg in there or what? She is laying an egg. Oh, leave her alone. They're like walking on her. Like, come on. Alright, let's go see what she got for an egg. Still nothing yet, but I need to clean that out. It's so full of manure. Kind of pitiful that they're laying in there. The reason that it's so dirty is because I never used this for actually breeding any hens. I just threw my 2 black stars in here with Chubbz. So now they're actually well, it's hard to see, but they're actually using the box. So I'm gonna clean that out after. But here's all the eggs I got so far today. This dirty one right here in the middle. I'm trying to focus. It's pinkish. Anyway, that's Raven's, the one that's down there with Chubbz right now. She just laid it. I just picked it up. So yeah, so I'm gonna try mixing Chubbz with the black stars and see what we can get. And then I got Stanley mixed with Frizzle over there. Gonna make some something funky. And I thought about mixing the 2 of these guys. So Phoenix and Stanley together. That would be a kind of a neat little barnyard combo. I don't want to really well, honestly, you get lots of colors from Stanley mixed with these bovins, but I honestly just don't want any. just the fussy side of myself. Anyway, y'all, I'm just waiting for Crow to lay her egg since Phoenix did, so I can collect that Black Star egg, and then I'm going to go put that in the crate with the other ones I'm going to be incubating next weekend. So we're going to be doing some. Well, I wanted to do some Barrett Rock, but I'm not going to be able to do that now. The breeder I'm using, he said that he doesn't have any available right now, so that's fine. I'm going to do some golden laced Orpingtons, which is going to be like amazing. I can't wait to get those. So I'm getting a dozen of those, and then I'm going to do 6 and 6, so possibly 6 Morans and 6 Lavenders. Or I might get 6 Australorps, black Australorps, and then maybe 3 of each. I wanted to get a few more lavenders since I lost a few, so trying to make up for a few. I got some in this hatch that I'm doing right now that's going to be hatched on Friday, so we'll see how many I get, but probably not that many. Three maybe, 2 or 3. So the whole object of hatching some lavenders right now is just to make up for the rooster that that died a few weeks ago. So Griffin. So I'm trying to make a Griffin 2.0. So anyway, we'll see how that goes. Boys, they're noisy in there. Anyway, hope you're all enjoying the nice warm day. Peace all.